Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be looking at the EcoXgear EcoPebble Pro. This one's you can actually get from Bass Pro Shop and Cabela's. And this one's a perfect little unit if you just don't want to carry anything like bulky or big or anything like that. You can actually just pick up one of these. It will be the perfect partner for it, right? So first of all, we're just gonna take a quick look at their presentation, which actually is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I really like the design, very minimalistic. It has the unit inside. And over here, we have a couple of details. So we have that it's waterproof and dustproof. So it doesn't matter if it gets dirty with sand or water. It will be more than happy to actually take that. It's also shock resistant, so you can drop it without any issues on it. You can pair two of these together, and it is rechargeable, right? It has 8 hours of playtime, 800 milliamps battery, and multi-mode LED party lights. I will show you that in just a second, so you guys can actually see how cool this thing looks like. Has a hands-free speaker mic. All right, so that means that you can actually just talk to your speaker, take your calls, talk to Siri or OK Google. And also it has a universal screw mount. So let me go ahead and unwrap this thing real quick for you guys. After that, you just wanna go ahead and just put it on the side over here and just press on that little tap, which is being, a little bit more difficult than it should be. All right, let me get this one for you guys. Let me just open this up somehow, and there you go. All right, so I'm gonna put this aside, and here you have the unit. It's very small, light. Here you have the universal 1/4-inch mount, and over here you have all the buttons, right? In the bottom part of the boxing case, you will find the user manual, your warranty registration card, which you can also do online, right? And the little power cord, which is USB-C, and the little carrying bungee cord over here, which you can just put on the side. That way you can just strap it to your backpack, or you just carry around with this, which is very helpful. All right, so for a quick demo, I'll go ahead and turn it on because I kind of want to show you the lights. They are very cool. So let me go ahead and just get that for you. And I'm gonna play some music. Let me make sure that I have it connected. All right, I'm gonna play some copyright-free music. And I'm going to show you the lights so you guys can actually see how cool they are. All right, now that I got the music playing, all I have to do in order to get the lights on it will be press the little light bulb button, and I can actually cycle through all the different sets of lights that they have. They have like flashing colors, rotating lights. They have one solid color, rotating rainbows. They have rotating one light, kind of have the rotating. A bunch of different options that you can actually pick and choose. You have follow the music. You have follow the music upside down, and following the music, changing colors as well. So this one is actually pretty cool for a party speaker. You can actually just continue going through the different light modes. You will not get bored. If you find one that you like, the unit will continue going that way, right? But that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today with the Pebble Pro. You can pick this one up at Bass Pro, and so as I was saying, guys, so you can pick this one up for Bass Pro, Cabela's. You can also pick it up online from EcoXgear website. So hope you guys have a good time. I'll see you next week, hopefully with a new video if I have any other products to review. But for right now, I'll leave you with the EcoPebble Pro, and I do hope you guys have a great day.